Our story begins in 2010 when the cybersecurity world was rocked by the discovery of a new and highly sophisticated computer worm. But the origins of this worm, known as Stuxnet, go back even further. Believed to have been in development since at least 2005, Stuxnet is widely understood to be a joint creation of the United States and Israel. The joint operation is known as Operation Olympic Games. Stuxnet had a very specific target, the nuclear program of Iran. The worm was designed to cause substantial damage by targeting supervisory control and data acquisition systems, also known as the SCADA system, made by Siemens, which are used to control and monitor specific industrial processes. The worm initially spread via Microsoft Windows Computer and specifically targeted Siemens industrial control systems. It was a game changer, the first known malware that spied on and subverted industrial systems and included a programmable logic controller rootkit. Stuxnet made a significant impact, with 60% of the infected computers worldwide being in Iran in August 2010. But it wasn't confined to Iran. The worm even managed to infect a nuclear power plant in Russia. A programming mistake caused the worm to start spreading outside of its original target, which led to its detection. The cybersecurity firm VirusBlok Ada32 discovered Stuxnet for the first time in mid-June 2010. According to the experts, Stuxnet was not like any other computer bug. It was a complex piece of software, called a cyberweapon, that hurt its targets physically. Many of Iran's centrifuges at their nuclear enrichment plant in Natanz broke down, which confused inspectors from the International Atomic Energy Agency. It was unknown what caused the problem. The answer was a piece of bad software that got into the nuclear sites by an infected USB drive. This was Stuxnet, a bug that was made to take advantage of multiple zero-day Windows flaws and cause real damage. Stuxnet went after the programmable logic processors, also known as PLCs, that ran the centrifuges. The malware changed how fast the centrifuges worked to put enough stress on it until it breaks. It was a slow, quiet attack, which made it hard to see what was going on. Stuxnet was also hard to find because it was a brand new piece of malware, a new danger with no known signs. It took advantage of multiple zero-day vulnerabilities, which are security loopholes in Windows operating system that haven't been fixed. Stuxnet spread through a network in several ways. It set up an RPC server and a client to spread from one computer to another. A machine that had been infected started the RPC server and listened for connections. Other infected computers formed connections and updated Stuxnet as needed. It also spread through portable drives, which are often used to maintain industrial control computers that are not connected to the internet. When a portable drive was put into a machine with Stuxnet, the worm copied itself to the drive. Stuxnet had a big effect. It damaged almost 1,000 Iranian centrifuges, which was a big blow for Iran's nuclear program. Stuxnet was the beginning of a new era in cyber warfare. It showed that cyber strikes could cause physical damage and interfere with key infrastructure. It was a wake-up call to the whole world about how dangerous computer risks can be. The story of Stuxnet shows, in the constantly changing world of cybersecurity, it's hard to stay one step ahead of the threats. If you like this short video, please smash that like button. We will soon bring more science and technology videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to support me.